Taxonomical aids. Taxonomic studies are of importance to our agriculture, forestry as well as industries, and also for us to understand the biodiversity amongst or surrounding us. But what are the methods to attain or to understand these taxonomic variations? First of all, one should undergo the proper training and one should study properly about taxonomy and have proper knowledge of identification of organisms as well as collection of organisms. That is, on what basis or on what characters we will be identifying different organisms and how we will be collecting them, whether we will be preserving them or we will be growing them. Then if we are preserving them, will it be dry preservant or whether we will be suspending it into the liquid preservation media. So these are the training or the study aspect of taxonomic studies. What are taxonomical aids? These are herbarium, botanical gardens, zoological parks, museum and key. Herbarium is nothing but storehouse of collected, dried, pressed and preserved plants on sheet. The plants are dried, pressed and preserved on sheets. On a sheet on which the plant is pressed and preserved, the biological name of plants will be there with few of the introduction or the characters of the plant mentioned on the sheet. Botanical gardens. Botanical gardens is collection of living plants. Here the plant is not dried or preserved, but plant is living. We grow them in the natural habitat, or we make the natural habitat of the plant and we grow them. Museum. In museum we keep preserved plants as well as animals. Museums are usually found in institutes, colleges, etc. Animal specimen could be dry or either could be in liquid media, as well as insects are kept, that is preserved on trays after killing, drying and pinning them. Zoological parks. In zoological parks, which are also named or known as zoo, animals are kept in their protected environment under human care, and every possible effort is made so that animals get an environment which is very much similar to their natural habitat. Key. Key is nothing but identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. Every statement on a key is lead. You'll see a key, you will see that contrasting characters which are paired together, as I was telling here, that identification is based on similarities and dissimilarities. So contrasting characters are paired together and is known as couplet. And every statement, as I told, in a key is lead. So these are the taxonomical aids used to study the biodiversity or the taxonomic study of organisms around us.